How to bundle dye with poppies. Welcome to our channel BillyNou, where we explore natural dyes, plants and family life in the south of France. If you like our content and want to see more, please consider subscribing, as it really helps us grow. One of our goals this year is to work with the flowers and plants that are in season. We're at the end of poppy season now, but just got there in time. This year was a funny year for poppies in our area. They were late to bloom and not as abundant as they have been in the previous few years. It's fascinating when you start paying attention to the seasons and times of year that plants are blooming. You notice the rhythms of nature and how each year can be so variable depending on things like weather, temperature and agriculture. It's very grounding to feel connected to one's surroundings and the abundance that nature offers in her own special way. Hi, welcome to my channel BillyNou. Today I'm going to be bundle dyeing with poppies. We've just been out this morning with the girls to pick some from a field by my mother-in-law's house, and it's something we've been wanting to do for a while. Every year, well, I have obviously bundle dyed with poppies before, so I know that they work, but every year we want to try and catch the flowers, the local flowers, as they're in season. We've almost missed it this year, but there are still some, and luckily we've had some quite cool, unusually cool weather this month, so they've hung around. Yeah, so today I'm going to be bundle dyeing with poppies and probably a few other wildflowers that we collected this morning. So these are the flowers we collected this morning from the fields. Some poppies who are starting to wilt, so we're going to work with them quite quickly. We also found some chamomile flowers. I'm pretty sure these are chamomile. And I've never used them to bundle dye before, but I'm pretty sure that nice yellow bit in the middle will work well. And what else? Oh, we found some mallow flowers. I think they're also called malva, and I think they're quite a good medicinal plant. And I'm not sure if they'll impart any colour, but we'll get their kind of therapeutic properties anyway, and the girls wanted to collect some, so we got some of them as well. I'm just dampening the fibres that I'm going to work with. And this is silk, and this is cotton. I'm just going to put these flowers in here. So I've got this large silk here that's been mordanted or prefixed with alum. I'm going to do that first, and I'm just going to give it a little spray with some vinegar, just a little one because it's quite wet already. This is my favourite bit about bundle dyeing. It's just throwing the flowers on. It's really therapeutic. Actually, I think we're working with 3 medicinal or quite therapeutic plants. Chamomile, poppy and malva. And look, we found these as well, which they grow quite a lot around here. I don't think they're going to be very good for dyeing, but they're scabiosa, and one of the really good dye flowers for bundle dyeing is purple scabiosa, which is like purple pincushion, and it's much darker than this, and it kind of imparts a really beautiful purpley, bluey kind of colour. The same. Just thought that was quite fun that they were growing wild. Look at this one. He's really cute. So as the name suggests, you just bundle it up. As tight as you can, really. piece of cotton, muslin, mordanted with alum acetate. I don't have many poppies left, but see what happens. Look at that, it's so cool. So I'm going to roll this one up in a different style to the other one, just because I've got a cute stick which is about the right size, and also because I've got some quite chunky flowers in there, and it's quite nice for getting an even pressure on the fabric, or a tight pressure when you're rolling it up like this with a stick. Got extra little sneaky ones that the girls have snuck in there. Just gonna keep rolling. It's really bumpy, this one. They're so fat. It's gonna be fun to see what it comes out like. Oh, that's probably the chunkiest bundle dye I've ever done. And I'm just going to tie him up with some string. The nice thing about bundle dyeing is that you only need to use a tiny bit of water for the steam, as opposed to immersion dyeing where you're filling the pot up and immersing the fibres into the water. So if you haven't got much water, then it's a good option. And I broke my lid of my pot the other day, so needs must. It's going to go onto the hob for about 30 minutes now to steam. I might need to put a stone in that. The book. So we've had quite a peaceful moment while Sade was having her nap to dye and get the bundles steaming on the oven. And while they're steaming, Madam has woken up. So we're going to take this opportunity to play with our Lovevery play kit, aren't we? Which it's called the Pioneer Play Kit, and Lovevery sent it to us you're welcome. As a gift for us to check out, and we're checking it out, and Sade really, really likes it. We, as a family, don't tend to buy many toys for the kids, and in fact Sade hasn't had any toys bought by us since she's been born, so I thought it was quite a nice opportunity to like give her some high quality toys. And so far they've been a success. Normally she likes the car thing the best, and this thing is really cool as well. Extra violence. There you go. Yeah, so overall we're really happy with this play kit, and I think we'll probably be getting the next level up when she's ready, but for the moment she's really content playing with these. And it's quite nice as well not to get, well, I've got them all out here, but to rotate them a little bit. So sometimes over the past month we've had them, I'll take one out and we'll play with that, and then we'll put that away, and then we'll play with another one, and she seems to like doing it that way. I'm not sure if she's quite grasped the concept of everything yet, but it's providing us with a lot of entertainment anyway. Oh, look. You can see the purple kind of bluey colour from the poppies. Always be careful of the steam, by the way. In fact, I'm going to turn that off just so I can turn this over. Look at that. And you can see the yellows coming through from the chamomile. Oh, I can't wait to open these. I'm going to leave them a tiny bit longer. Oh, that's a horrible noise. You just want to give them a little turn so that the steam can get evenly through onto all of the fabric. Right, I'm going to put that back on for, I don't know, another 10 minutes. Okay. Often now I'll leave my bundles overnight just to kind of give the colours a chance to really set in, but also often I'm too impatient and I want to unwrap them immediately, which is what I'm going to do today. They're still quite hot, so I'm being careful. You can already notice that on different fibres with different mordants, the colours are different slightly, but it's interesting just to note. So that's cotton with alum acetate mordant, and that's silk with alum mordant. So I'm going to undo the silk first, I think. It's still really hot. But it cools down quite quickly. I'll turn that around so I can do the big reveal. Ready? Wow. Really happy with that. And I love the little splashes of yellow as well. They're actually quite quite strong, the colours. You know, part of the pleasure for me also is, like, even the mess is beautiful. It's really kind of, I don't know, it's just enjoyable bundle dyeing when everything is so pretty. Ooh. This looks really good. Ready? I'm gonna do a big reveal again. Whee! And this is so cute as well. So this one was actually much more of the chamomile. So there's a lot more yellow in this as well. So here are my two still wet results, and they're quite different but equally as beautiful. This is the colour from the poppies. I might also give them a little dip in some iron water, just a quick one to help with the colour fastness, so the colours stay a little bit longer. But I'm really pleased with how they've turned out. I'll give them a rinse with some pH neutral soap and a nice hot steam iron to help set the colours as well. And then, not sure what I'll do with this, but this will probably go to my shop in Laval. Yeah. If you want to connect further, you can follow me on Instagram, which is @BillyNouApparel, and watch out for any new drops on my website for clothing and accessories, which is BillyNou.com. And I also have some ebooks available below, which are available for a little extra guidance.